What is up, you guys? So I was just like searching for YouTube videos and that things, and I found this channel, and look at this guys, like his video is so weird. Like, for example, do not spin 3 fidget spinners at 3 a.m. This is why. Do not spin a fidget spinners for 24 hours straight at 3 a.m. And also, do not spin 2 fidget spinners at 3 a.m. This is why. So I'm just gonna watch this, the third one, and let me know why. Okay, so let's watch it together, guys.
3, 2, 1, go. What the hell? Who's calling me at 3 a.m.?
Oh my god, guys, like, is this real? Like, seriously, it's so creepy if it's real. I don't know. So guys, I'm just going to try tonight. Of course, at 3 a.m. right now is 9 o'clock, so I need to wait 6 more hours, and I will wait, guys. Don't worry, I'll just wake up at 3 and do this for you guys, and let me know if it's real or not. It's gonna be so freaking creepy if it's real. Like, if I got a phone call, and actually I'm gonna answer it. Anyway, so let's wait until 3 a.m. and be right back until 3 a.m. Yep, bye-bye. What is up, you guys? So I'm just back, and it's 3 a.m. right now, as you see, and sorry. Okay guys, so it's 3 o'clock. It just like we passed 2 minutes, and right now we're gonna just spin the spinner, and we will get a phone call from unknown person, like just the other YouTuber did. My god, I wanna just go back to sleep. Just keep trying, guys. I'll just keep trying like at least 5 minutes, and I just said that I'm gonna answer. Oh my god. Oh my god. This was so freaking scary, like, but it took like 10 minutes or that. Who was it? Like, alright guys, so right now I'm about to end the video, so thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and click on the bell next to the subscribe button so you will get notified when I upload a video, and please don't forget to hit the like button because I did this for you. So I think it's time to say bye bye and see you in the next video. Bye bye.